unbelievable. When you hear them coming down the hallway, it's like, are they coming to me? Are they not coming to me? It was a really fun little bit of time, and we received $10,000, which was amazing. And we did a special camp week just for Title I campuses with that grant funding. It was called STEM Camp for All. My goal with the camp was to provide the opportunity for our Title I students to have the chance to explore their ideas and be creative at Camp Invention.
Camp Invention allows our kids to be able to take what they've learned in school, but look at what does this look like in real life. So I might be doing some math, or I might be doing some drawing even in school, but what does it look like when I start looking at design, when I look at prototyping, when I look at solving a problem? And so they're able to see it all encompassed and in such a way that's super engaging for them, that is real hands-on, and they're seeing real-world inventors that have gone through this process.
One of my favorite things about Camp Invention was going to the glow-in-the-dark class, because there was a lot of axolotls in it, and I like axolotls a lot.
It was real fun. We got to use UV and regular lights, and then we were able to color a box and put the lights in that box.
We made like this robot, and we could put water inside, and they would like float inside.
We asked families to pay $50 of the tuition, and then the camp and the funding from the foundations all covered the rest of their camp experience for those 4 days. We impacted 80 total campers. We did have 142 on the waiting list, and I think that waiting list could even be bigger, because those were the people who went in and saw that we were on a waiting list and still paid their $50 and still committed, and were hoping that a spot would open. So we know that there's a huge demand and a huge need to continue this camp and to hopefully grow it even further if the funding is there.
Thank you very much. I really enjoyed myself there.
Thank you, because it was very fun to go in that camp, and I had lots of fun.
The help that we received in finding the funding opportunities, and the help that the foundation provided in helping us write the grant and secure it, it wouldn't have happened without all of that.